Let me see your hands right now. Let me see your hands. Come on, come here, man.
Hope you got it, guys.
高速道路を巡回中の警官が制限速度を20マイルも上回る速度で走る車を発見。路肩に止めさせて事情を伺おうとするが、事態はとんでもない方向に進んでしまう。
This could be a Hyundai Sonata. Unknown passengers. Driver's side is covered with a blanket. Can't see the subject. Let me see your hands, bro. Why are your windows covered like that? Step out of the vehicle, man. Come outside. Come out here with me.
431. What's your 20?
That's a nice GOE, man.
Driver, let me see your hands.
Trevor, can you head to the 157 for 437?
437. Just to advise, I'm giving verbal commands on my PA. Driver's not listening. Driver, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands, driver.
I can hear.
Driver, let me see your
I'm
hands.
just going to be giving verbal commands at this time. Driver is not cooperating.
Driver, open the door. Let me see your hands. Open the door with your left hand only. 437, still giving verbal commands, not getting answers. As I repeat, both windows are covered with some sort of blankets or sheets. It will be a felony stop at this time. Driver, let me see your hands. ¿Hablas inglés o español? ¿Dónde están las manos? Driver, can you not listen to me? Let me see your hands. Take out your hands. Open the door. Let me see your hands. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. You need to come out. I can't hear you. I can hear you. Okay. Go ahead and open the door with your left hand and your left hand only. Open the door right now. Ma'am, I can't hear you. Open the door right now. I can't see through your window. Both windows are covered. It's for your safety and my safety. Open the door with your left hand and your left hand only. You need to apply to these commands. I don't need to arrest you for not listening, for impeding an investigation. With your left hand, open your door. All right, you're gonna be arrested, man, I'm telling you. 437 SOCOM. It appears to be a female. Stuck out her left hand. She's flipping me off at this time, and she's just yelling. I can't hear her. I can't hear what she's trying to communicate with me.
427, she's still refusing to get out of the vehicle.
Let me see your hands, ma'am. You need to come out to me, to the sound of my voice. Open up that door, and you need to come to the sound of my voice, ma'am. Force will be used. Thank you. Go ahead and step out. Step out of the vehicle right now. You're going to be under arrest. Step out of the vehicle right now. 437 SOCOM. Door was open at this time.
警官の指示に全く従わないこいつ。車のドアを開けてチラチラ見てくるだけで降りてくる気配は全くない。ひょっこりはんじゃねえんだからさっさと降りてこいよ。業を煮やした警官が詰め寄るぞ。
Step out. Okay, step out. Go ahead and step out. Step out. Who else is in the vehicle? Bring down the windows. Step out. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
Stop.
Who else is in here?
My daughter and
You're not listening, ma'am. I'm telling you. I told you to open up. Come here.
And I
need to
don't
talk to you.
have to.
Open
And
up
I
this
don't
window.
have to.
No, come here.
And I don't have
She has a daughter. Hold on, bro.
And I don't
Just come out. Come here, ma'am.
Stop.
Just stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I don't-
Hold on, baby. I'll be right with you. Let me know. Ma'am, I'm giving you commands, okay? Stand by right now. I'm going to talk to your daughter. You do. You're going 94. You're going 94 on a 65. Are you intoxicated right now? Hey, you need to relax.
What's wrong with you? Why aren't you cooperating? What's wrong with you?
She's intoxicated.
Is this really worth it? Is this really worth it?
Let go of my handcuffs. Ma'am.
What do you think this is, ma'am? What's wrong with you? You have a small daughter in the vehicle. What's wrong with you?
You guys are dumb.
Okay, what's wrong with you?
I told you guys 10 times.
She appears to be intoxicated, bro. I can smell it. Don't resist, ma'am.
Stop.
Don't resist.
Stop.
We have one detained at this time. B47.
Quit resisting.
Just stop resisting, ma'am. This isn't worth it, all right?
You're getting more charges added, right? Put your hand behind your back. Just clip this one here.
I'm not resisting. You guys are just
All right. Gonna stand over here.
Can't believe you think this is funny, ma'am.
fun.
You have your daughter there, man.
I know, and
I can't believe you think this is funny. This isn't funny.
Unlock, bro.
It's not. Who said
You ran out your place under arrest, okay, for resisting. How much have you had to drink today? We're gonna come in here.
No, you guys are so embarrassing.
Okay.
Stop. I don't have to go in there.
Are you drunk? You're under arrest right now.
No, I'm not drunk and I don't have to go in there.
Get in there
I do
right now.
not. Says who?
Here, I got pepper spray, bro. I got pepper spray.
Right now.
Get in there.
Get in there right now.
Pepper spray means you can fucking pepper spray yourself.
in.
I'm not stupid.
Get in right now, man.
In there. This is your final warning. Go pepper spray.
Get in right now.
Okay, pepper
I'm gonna use a taser. Get in right now. Get in there right now.
spray.
Get in there right now. Get in there right now. Get in there right now, or I'm gonna go ahead and use it again. Sit down.
Ma'am, get in the vehicle.
Sit down right now. Sit down in there.
I'm not gonna run.
Sit down in there.
I'm gonna run across the highway.
Get in the vehicle.
Sit down.
What's wrong with you? Get in the vehicle. What's wrong with you?
I'm about to dress on you again, man.
Nothing is wrong.
Sit down right now. Sit down.
I'm sick.
Go inside. Go inside.
This is on the
Get inside right now.
Inside the vehicle.
Get inside now. Listen to my commands.
My daughter is right.
Okay.
Hey, stop.
Okay, get inside the vehicle. Put your feet in.
Enough.
Put your feet inside the vehicle.
That is enough. That is enough.
Put her feet in there, bro.
That is enough.
Hey,
My
relax.
daughter's
Relax
right
right now. Relax, okay?
there. So, you know why you couldn't
You're not following commands. You're drinking right now. Okay?
and
You shouldn't be drinking and driving.
You could see both of them, and you know that you could.
All right.
You could see both of them, couldn't you? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yeah, because you're not gonna answer because you know that you could.
I couldn't see anything. I'm on this side. I'm giving you commands. Okay.
Are you okay?
What's going on?
Are you okay? We'll explain here in a bit. Just stay in there because there's traffic out here, okay?
I'm going to ask you something, okay? Would you want to provide a breath test, breath example? No?
I don't have to. What's happening?
Or you want to go to my patrol car? Yes, come on.
Affirmative,
Come here, sweet. Let's go this way.
Where are you coming from right now, man? All right.
Are we going back to my house?
We'll let you know here in a bit, okay?
Okay.
I'm just gonna put you in here because I have AC in there, okay? That way it's not too hot. Go ahead and have a seat, sweet.
Hope your daughter dies.
You hope my daughter dies?
I do.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So just pay attention. I'm about to read some stuff, okay?
I'm
I'm just going to read you your rights.
Hurry up.
All right, so
But did I have to start?
you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against in court. You have the right to consult with an attorney,
My daughter's
to
daughter.
have an
You guys
attorney
do
present
not
during the
have
questioning.
My permission.
If you guys can go check on the daughter, bro, please.
You guys do
Okay,
not
does he have it already?
permission to
Okay,
talk
cool.
to her.
All right, so if you cannot afford an attorney, one can be provided to you before questioning at no cost. Do you understand these rights? With these rights in mind, would you speak to me? No. Would you wish to speak to me now? Alrighty.
Give me 1 second, sweetie, okay? Give me 1 second. Yes. She is in trouble.
I have my hands in the front.
Step out. Why'd you put him in the front?
Because it's
Stand right there.
uncomfortable.
Where'd you pee?
Oh, all there and then all the way to the over there.
Put that on there.
There you go.
Walk on this way. Stand right there. Don't move. Go this way. Go this way.
That's what I'm doing.
Walk.
Calm down. Walk. You're gonna have to clean it, huh? You said I was gonna have to, but it's gonna be you.
You should feel really proud of yourself.
最終的にこいつが積み上げた罪状はこうだ。未成年者を同乗させた飲酒運転、児童虐待、過重飲酒運転、致死性武器の過失使用、20マイルの速度超過、身元隠蔽、公務執行妨害、幼い子供がいるのにこんなに罪を積み立てちゃダメだろ。 挙句には警察車両の中で漏らしちゃってるし、救いようがねえ犯罪者だな。10年ぐらい刑務所に入って頭を冷やしとけって思うが、実際は数年の実刑判決だろう。みんなはお酒を飲んで運転しちゃダメだぞ。